When it comes to email automation, Moosend and AWeber are two platforms that often come up. But which one is more efficient for email automation? That's what we're diving into today. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing my personal take on the best alternative for what you really need. Let's start with Moosend. It's known for being a more budget-friendly option for businesses just getting started with email marketing. It offers a user-friendly interface that makes setting up email campaigns quick and easy. With Moosend, automation is simple. You can set up triggered emails, sequence campaigns, and even segment your audience for more targeted outreach. However, it does have some limitations. One of the biggest drawbacks is its lack of advanced analytics compared to some competitors. While it gives you basic data, you won't get the in-depth insights you might need to optimize your campaigns. Next thing to consider is AWeber. AWeber has been around for a long time and is well known for its solid customer support and a robust set of email automation features. You can create complex automated workflows with AWeber, and their templates are generally easy to use. It also provides great email deliverability rates, which is a big plus for ensuring your messages reach your audience. On the downside, AWeber's interface can feel a bit outdated compared to newer tools. It's also on the pricier side for smaller businesses or those with tighter budgets, which could be a problem if you're looking for something more affordable. The third thing worth noting is their integrations. Moosend comes with a wide range of integrations, allowing it to sync well with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and more. While its integration options are solid, it doesn't always offer the deep integrations you might find with other tools. AWeber, on the other hand, offers a broad selection of integrations too. But one of the big differences is AWeber's native integrations with popular CRMs like Salesforce. This can be a huge advantage if you're already using a CRM and want everything to work seamlessly together. Now, let's talk about pricing. Moosend offers a much more affordable plan, especially when compared to AWeber. This can make it the go-to choice if you're working with a limited budget or just starting out. AWeber's pricing can be steep for smaller businesses, but it does offer a free plan for up to 500 subscribers. Still, for the features you get, it can feel a bit expensive for startups or entrepreneurs trying to scale on a budget. Another aspect to look at is customer support. Moosend does offer 24/7 support via chat, but some users report delays in response times, which can be frustrating when you're trying to resolve an issue quickly. AWeber, on the other hand, has a reputation for top-notch customer service with phone support available during business hours, which might give it an edge if you prefer direct help. The fourth thing you should know is their scalability. Moosend is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses, but as your business grows, you may find it lacking some of the more advanced features you need, such as in-depth reporting. AWeber does have those features, making it a better option for those who plan to scale up and need a tool that can grow with them. So, while both platforms are great in their own right, they have their respective strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for something that's affordable and easy to use, Moosend might be the better fit for you. But if you need more advanced automation and customer support, AWeber could be the way to go. However, after trying both of these myself, I have to recommend a better alternative if you want a more efficient and powerful email automation system. If you're interested in checking it out, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. Not only will you get access to this alternative, but you'll also receive exclusive benefits that are only available to viewers like you.